Have you ever struggled taping collie puppy ears? Taping ears can be frustrating, even for experienced breeders. In this video, we will share with you the Wyndlair Way. It is guaranteed to be the easiest, most effective method you will ever use. Collie lovers, welcome. I'm Matt Stelter of Wyndlair Collies. The Wyndlair method for taping collie ears has been honed for over 25 years. It has been used on multiple #1, best in show, national specialty, and top 10 winning dogs. But more importantly, it's been used on countless Wyndlair puppies living in wonderful family homes just like yours. Using the Wyndlair Way, your collie puppy can have best in show ears too. The necessary materials include Japanese tape, Scotch Super 77 adhesive spray, a flea comb, paper towels, scissors, Zoes, rubbing alcohol, and cotton balls. Make sure to use real cotton balls rather than the synthetic variety which don't absorb oils. We prefer wintergreen scented rubbing alcohol for a more pleasant smell. To clean the ear, begin by soaking a cotton ball in rubbing alcohol and clean the ear thoroughly. Repeat several times. After cleaning with rubbing alcohol, fold a piece of paper towel and dry the ear. The paper towel fibers will grab earwax that the cotton balls do not. Then, let the ear dry for a minute. Trim any excess hair inside the ear. It isn't necessary to scalp the ear, but the more hair you can remove, the better the tapes will stick, and the less chance for an irritation. Finally, using the Japanese tape, wipe the ear from base to tip. The tape will grab any remaining oil that could prevent tapes from sticking. Be gentle, however, as rubbing too hard can irritate the skin and can actually stimulate more ear oil. When you feel the tape beginning to stick to the ear, instead of sliding over the surface, all oil is removed and you are ready to begin taping. Begin by cutting the main strip to run up the middle of the ear. Spray the sticky side lightly with Scotch Super 77 adhesive spray and let dry a few moments before applying. Beginning at the bottom, place the main strip just above the small knob and run it straight toward the ear tip. Press and hold the tape in place as the heat and pressure from your thumb will help set it. Next, cut 2 supporting strips for each ear. These strips are shorter than the main strip and serve to support the ear. Apply 1 to each side of the main strip to form an upside down Y shape. Use additional tape strips for any areas that are wanting to crease, especially when the ear is pulled up on the head. If necessary, apply additional strips to any soft or weak areas. Focus on keeping the natural cupped ear shape. Pull the ears up into their natural annular position. Estimate the distance between the centers of each ear, and then cut the cross brace strip at a length slightly longer. This may take some practice until you become proficient in this estimation. Snip halfway through the cross brace at a 45-degree angle, leaving square ends. Fold the cut half back on itself. Take a small piece of tape, cut it into 2 strips down the center, and then apply it to both sides of the cross brace to reinforce the cut line so they will not tear. Place 1 square end down low on the main strip in the ear. Immediately place a small strip of tape over top of the main strip to sandwich the cross brace in the ear. With your thumb, press the tapes together to help set the adhesive. Next, pull the other side of the cross brace across to the other ear and place in the same position. Immediately place another small strip of tape to sandwich that side. Use your thumbs to press the tapes and hold the ears in the proper shape. Make sure no hair is caught or being pulled by the tapes. A cross brace of proper length will pull the ears up on top of the head, but not so close that they touch or the ears fold in. Before taping the tips over, set the break exactly where it should be. Fold over the top quarter of the ear length directly down the center. Avoid tipping the ear over too far or toward the outside edge, as some videos suggest. Cut 2 strips of tape for each ear. Rather than just using the standard single loop, we'll use a double loop. Make your first loop, as you normally would, then double one edge over on itself. Next, place it on the other piece of tape, folded edge up. Finally, loop the second piece around the first piece, sticky side out. The folded end inside makes the top thicker, creating a more natural break rather than a crease. Finally, apply the tape just below the break you already set in the ear. Press the tip down on the tape, then double fold the ear tip around your thumb. This double fold helps form a break that will not rise as the collie gets older. We now have a perfect set of ear tapes. Done properly, ear tapes should stick for weeks and generally need to be removed due to the puppy growing rather than them falling out.
Do you want to learn more about world-class collies and how we condition and care for our own dogs? Then Google Wyndlair Collies and click on Collie Education. We share over 60 combined years experience in this wonderful breed, and we will continue to develop educational content to make you a more knowledgeable collie fancier.